Hello and welcome everyone to our exploration of Etsy, the place where people sell and buy handmade and old things. Whether you're a pro at making stuff or just starting out, Etsy is a cool place to be. Today we're talking about what Etsy is and why it's awesome. Let's get started. So, what is Etsy? Think of it as a bustling marketplace, but with a unique twist. It's a platform where artisans, crafters, and collectors from around the globe come together to buy, sell, and connect over unique, handcrafted, and vintage goods. Etsy has a ton of different stuff. You can find handmade jewelry, cool home decorations, and even old clothes. There's something for everyone. Now let's discuss why you should sell on Etsy. There are several benefits that Etsy offers to attract customers, so let's explore them. Easy setup. First up, let's talk about how easy it is to set up your shop on Etsy. The platform simplifies the process by guiding sellers through the necessary steps, such as creating an account and listing products. This ease of setup reduces barriers for individuals and small businesses looking to enter the e-commerce market, making it accessible to a wider range of entrepreneurs. Support for small businesses. One of the things that sets Etsy apart is its unwavering support for small businesses. Unlike many e-commerce platforms that cater primarily to large retailers, Etsy champions the efforts of independent creators and artisans. The platform provides a level playing field where small businesses can thrive alongside larger competitors, fostering a diverse marketplace of unique products. Creative freedom. Whether you're a skilled artisan, a collector of vintage items, or an artist with a unique vision, Etsy offers a platform to showcase your creativity. The platform celebrates individuality and welcomes a wide range of products, from handmade crafts to vintage finds and original artwork. This creative freedom empowers sellers to express themselves authentically and connect with like-minded buyers who appreciate their work. Millions of shoppers. Now let's talk about the massive audience that Etsy brings to the table. With over 32 million monthly visitors, Etsy provides access to a vast audience of potential customers. Whether you're targeting niche enthusiasts or appealing to a broader demographic, the platform's extensive reach increases the visibility of your products. This large and diverse user base enhances the likelihood of finding buyers who are interested in what you have to offer, ultimately driving sales and growth for your business. Low upfront costs. Unlike traditional retail channels that often require significant upfront investment in infrastructure and inventory, Etsy imposes minimal fees to get started. Sellers can list their products for a nominal fee, typically a small percentage of the sale price, and only incur additional costs as they generate sales. This low barrier to entry makes it financially viable for individuals and small businesses to test the market and scale their operations gradually. Human connection. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the human connection that sets Etsy apart. In an era dominated by automation and impersonal transactions, Etsy prioritizes the human touch. The platform fosters a sense of community by facilitating direct interactions between sellers and buyers. Whether through personalized messages, custom orders, or seller profiles that highlight the people behind the products, Etsy emphasizes the importance of human connection in the shopping experience. This personal touch not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also cultivates loyalty and trust between sellers and buyers. So, whether you're a hobbyist looking to share your creations with the world or an entrepreneur ready to turn your passion into a profitable business, Etsy is the perfect place to start and grow your journey. That wraps up our introduction to Etsy and its benefits. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.